Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to create a spring in Creo Parametric. So you can see the dimension of the spring and you can also see the final output of the spring. So let's start the Creo. So click on the new button and choose part from the type area and choose solid from the subtype area. Here you can enter the file name, the spring, and choose use default template. You can untick this. Now choose OK. Here you need to select the template and I will select here MMNS part solid and choose OK. So now you are in the Creo environment. Now first select plane from the model tree. I am choosing here front plane and click on the sketch. And to orient this plane, click on the sketch view. Now from the dimension you can see inner diameter of your spring is 20 and outer is 40. And the length of this spring is 100. So what I am going to do here, first I will draw a center line and then I will draw a line. The line will be length of 100 and the internal diameter is, here I will enter 10 and in the bottom 20. You can adjust your dimension also. You can see from here this is 20, so because I am using from the center, so it will be 10 and this will be 20. Okay, so now the length of the spring is 100, so I will apply 100 also. So I will click on the dimension button and I will select this point and this point. Now you can enter here 100. Now you will click OK to exit the sketch environment. Now click on the helical sweep and here you will enter in the pitch value, you will enter 10, which is default value. And now I'm going to create my profile. So this is the 5 dia circle of 5 diameter. So click on the sketch to create the profile and click on the sketch view to orient your plane. Now I will click on the circle and at this point I will create a circle of dia 5. Now click OK. You can see the preview of your spring and I will choose OK to exit the helical sweep command. Now you can see here your spring is completed. Thank you.